National Youth Day 2021. The Youth Commission of the Conference of Catholic Bishops of India, CCBI, which is the Episcopal Conference of Bishops in India, celebrated the 5th National Youth Day on the second Sunday of August, the 8th, 2021, which marks a day dedicated by the Bishops of India to all the young people nationwide. The day was celebrated by the youth in their parishes, dioceses and institutions. Young people organized virtual and physical activities on this occasion. In some parishes, Eucharistic celebration was organized, and in many places, keeping in mind the COVID restrictions, they organized virtual prayer meetings. In some places, young people organized various charity and fundraising events. Due to COVID-19 restrictions, the celebration was not elaborate this year, but that did not dampen the spirit of young people. They organized community programs, recreation, fellowship, competitions, etc. to celebrate their youthfulness and fellowship. The CCBI Youth Commission prepared the liturgy to celebrate the Eucharist, which was translated into many languages. Prior to NYS, young people celebrated the first World Day for grandparents and the elderly. At the national level, Biblos, Bible quiz, was organized. The theme for the Youth Day was, "Stand up, I appoint you as a witness of what you have seen." Acts 26:16. This is also the theme for the World Youth Day, which will be celebrated locally on Christ the King solemnity. In his message to young people, Most Rev. Susai Nazarene, Chairman Bishop of the Youth Commission, urged the young people to spread the good news like St. Paul and bear a good witness. He wished them and thanked them for the good work done by them. Most Rev. Ignatius de Souza, member bishop of the commission, asked the young people to take the message seriously and stand firm in their faith. Fr. Chetan, the National Youth Secretary, in his message wished the youth and appreciated the good work and asked them to celebrate the day in a meaningful way. It was decided that Youth of India will celebrate National Youth Day in the month of August. National Office has fixed the second Sunday of August as National Youth Sunday for uniformity. Dioceses are free to choose any Sunday in the month of August to celebrate Youth Day. CCBI Youth Commission is the chief organ of the CCBI that animates the youth apostolate across 132 dioceses and 14 ecclesial regions towards a deeper Christian awareness and commitment through faith formation. It aims to achieve its objective by working in close collaboration with the regional youth commissions, Indian Catholic Youth Movement, ICYM, Young Christian Students Movement, and other various Catholic youth movements in India. Father Chetan Machado, Executive Secretary, CCBI Commission for Youth, 9891792505.